Use a yarn needle to weave in your ends securely. This is very important if you're giving these scrunchies as a gift. And just like that, your crochet scrunchie is done. This is one of those projects that looks cute, feels good to make, and works great for gifts. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like. It really supports my channel. Let me know in the comments. Would you like more beginner crochet items that you want to make? And don't forget to subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials.